Hello, so this is Quadratic Equations lesson. So this video is part 2. You can check the part 1 of this video from here. And in this video, we are going to discuss the solutions by factorizing in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's go to the video. So this is my first video. First question, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal 0. Okay, so now to find the two factors which we discussed in the earlier video, what we have to do is we have to make our last number, that is 6, by multiplying two numbers. That means we have to take the product 6. 1 times 6 is 6 when multiplied, and 2 times 3 is also 6. Now we have two sets of solutions, but only one of these two is correct for this question. So we have to find exactly what is the correct set now. Okay, now multiplication theories. So you know to take a positive value when we multiply two numbers together, that must be positive or negative, because positive number multiplied by positive number, then the answer will be positive. Negative number multiplied by another negative number, then the answer will be positive. But if you multiply a negative number by a positive number, then the answer is negative. So here we have positive 6. So both numbers must be positive or negative. Okay, done. So to find exactly what are the two numbers here, we have to consider the middle value now. So Pute, what is the middle value here? That is positive 5. So middle value is obtained by adding these two numbers, either 6 and 1 or 2 and 3. Adding these two numbers make the middle value. Okay, so middle value is a positive number, no? So to take a positive number for addition, then those two numbers must be positive. Otherwise, if they become negative, the addition answer is negative, no? So the two numbers must be positive. Okay. Had. So, 6 plus 1, is it 5? No, that is not 5. So, the answer is eliminated. If we add 2 and 3 together, is that answer 5? Yes, that is 5. So, we will choose this one. So, what we have to write is, to make two factors, I will write x here and also x here. Then I will put these two numbers. 2 in here, 3 in here. You can change the numbers. It's totally okay. Then both of the numbers are positive. We found that. So I will put here positive. That's it. Very easy. Now this is the hardest part. Now the question is easier. We have discussed from here in the next video, in the previous video. Okay. Once again we will do. Now, x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Now, I will take 2 to the other side. X equal negative 2 or x equal negative 3. So, these are the answers for x. Very easy, right? So, moving to the next question. My question is like this, x square plus 6x plus 5. So we have to multiply two numbers to take positive 5. So how to take positive 5? 1 multiplied by 5, right? There is only one solution. So the factors must be these two. So again two factors equals 0. I will write x here and x here. So my numbers are 1 and 5. Let's check if they add up to 6. 5 plus 1. Is it 6? Yes, that is 6. So our answer is correct. Okay, x plus 1 x plus 5 equals 0, then we can write x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Then I will move 1 to there. X equal negative 1 or moving 5, x equal to negative 5. That's really easy. Moving to next question. X square plus 15x plus 10. Okay. So we have to take positive 10 by multiplying two numbers. That will be 1 and 10. 1 times 10 is 10 or else 2 times 5. Now we have to take sorry, this question have a mistake, I think. Yeah, this must be 50. I'm really sorry. This must be 50, huh? Otherwise, we can't take the answer. So, to make 50, 1 times 50 or else we can take 1 times 50 and we can take 2 times 25 or else 5 times 10. Yes, those are the things we can take. Now we have 3 solutions. We have to find the correct one now. So, to become a positive answer when multiplying, both numbers must be positive, positive or negative, negative. Then, as the middle answer is positive, both numbers must be positive. Then, we have to add these two numbers to take 15. 50 plus 1. No, that is 51. Then 25 plus 2. No, 27. 10 plus 5. Yes, that's correct, right? So we will choose those two. Write in brackets equals 0. X plus 5 and x plus 10. So x plus 5 equals 0 or x plus 10 equals 0. No need to write bracket here. So moving 5 to the other side, x equals negative 5 or x equals negative 10. Very easy. That's it. So my next question, x square plus 7x plus 12. Now we have to take positive 12. Ne? So what are the factors? 1 times 12, 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. Now again we have 3 solutions. So we have to find the correct one. Which is add up to 7 equals 0, x and 0. Which two numbers, which pair is add up to 7? Yes, 4 plus 3, right? So I will write positive 3 here, positive 4 here. Then x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. Then x equals negative 3 or x equals negative 4. Very easy. That's it. So the last question I am going to discuss here, that is x square plus 10x plus 16. Now we have to make the number 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. Is that all? Yes. So, equals 0. I always forget that one. Equals 0. So, two numbers have to be add up to 10. So, that will be 8 and 2. So, plus 2 and plus 8. You can change the numbers. It's totally okay. X plus 2 equals 0. X plus 8 equals 0. Then, x equals negative 2 or x equals negative 8. These are the two solutions. So, in this video, we have discussed how to factorize quadratic equation and how to solve the values or else how to take the solutions for x. So, here we discuss the form x square plus bx plus c. And in the next video, I am going to discuss ax square plus bx minus c form. So, let's meet soon.